guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is episode 2, using eggs, tomatoes and onions. So I'm going to make a toast using bread, and I'm also going to use some onions here. For this I'm not going to use a toaster, so I'm going to use my pan. So this is also another method. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my channel, guys. So I'm going to beat these eggs until they are well mixed. I've added my salt. Then after this, I'm going to add my bread, slice by slice. Soak them into the eggs. So this is a nice recipe to prepare in the morning. As I always say, a nice concoction for the morning. You don't need to go outside and purchase this for like 200 shillings. Yes, you can do it in the house. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share and comment below. So I'll start by adding one slice here. I'll dip it here. So you can choose to remove the outer part, but for me I'm going to do it with the outer part. So I'm going to dip it inside, let it soak until everything is well soaked. This is what I'm saying. So I'll dip all my slices inside here until everything is well soaked. I'm going to start by adding a little bit of oil to a hot pan. Just very small. That's enough. So we are going to go in with our soaked bread. I'm doing this to avoid it from sticking or burning. You can see it's well cooked. So let's cook the other side. So I'm going to do this to all of my slices. To use the same pan to add our onions. We cook our onions for a little bit. onions are almost ready, so I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Everything together and we make our bread burger. So I'm going to use this one. You can see it's well cooked. So I'm going to add onions on top. This can be a very good breakfast for your kids when going to school. Then I'm going to go in with my tomato. One is enough. Then add another layer. Go in with our onions again. Then I'm going to add my tomato again. And finally, you can, let me also add this one. And this, because I don't want to waste anything. I'm going to add my onions again on top. So for this, I'm not going to add some salt on the tomatoes. Reason being, my onions have salt, and also for the bread it has salt and some sugar, so I don't want to destroy the taste of everything. So let me not add this one, it's a bit big. And then I'm going to go in with my last. Wow, you can see this amazing burger, bread burger for you. So I'm going to slice this into two to make it easy for eating. Our toast is ready. Very yummy, you can see. Super nice. So this is a nice conclusion for your morning breakfast. Thank you guys for watching to my channel. Please subscribe, share and like so that you can get notification when I upload a new video. Bye, until next video. Bye bye. Love you.